Jen Psaki says Americans only think there's a border crisis because of the media. White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki said last week that the reason Americans believe there is a crisis on the U.S. Mexico border is because of some components of the media. While speaking on Thursday's episode of CNN's podcast, more than two-thirds of Americans say the Biden administration is doing a very or somewhat bad job handling the illegal immigration crisis at the southern border. A big driver of those negative impressions, Psaki said, was the nature of some components of social media. Finding alternatives to the term crisis has marked Psaki's tenure as the Biden administration's most conspicuous public spokesperson during one of the worst border crises in modern history. Illegal border crossings have skyrocketed since Biden revoked President Donald Trump's Migrant Protection Protocols (MPP), which encouraged migrants to wait in other countries while they applied for asylum status. The number of illegal immigrants arrested by the United States Customs and Border Protection (CBP) has more than doubled since Joe Biden's inauguration in January. Queller announced that more than 15,000 illegal aliens had missed their court date under the Biden administration's renewed catch-and-release policy, which amounts to a version of the honors system. Psaki has attempted to blunt the impact of these stories during press briefings. President Biden, talked about the crisis that ended up on the border with young people on April 17. The White House later told the media that Biden's remarks do not reflect the official position of the Biden-Harris administration. In the interview with Axelrod, Psaki downplayed the importance of immigration to the American people, saying most have other priorities. What percentage of the public is focused on the border? A much smaller percentage than who's focused on the pandemic and the economy, she said.
If you haven't done yet, please subscribe our channel.